What is the cost of whole exome sequencing? If you have been curious about the cost of whole exome sequencing, or WES, especially in relation to autism spectrum disorder, you are in the right place. Let's break down what you need to know. Whole exome sequencing is a method that focuses on the protein coding regions of our DNA. These regions, known as exons, are where most mutations that cause diseases can be found. This technique is particularly useful for identifying genetic variations that may be linked to autism spectrum disorder. Now, when it comes to the cost of whole exome sequencing, it can vary quite a bit. One of the main factors affecting the price is the provider. Different laboratories and healthcare facilities charge different amounts for this service. It is a good idea to compare prices and services offered by various providers to find the best option for you. Another factor that influences the cost is the depth of sequencing. This is measured in coverage, such as 30 times or 100 times. Higher coverage means more accurate results but also comes at a higher price. The complexity of the analysis is also important. More detailed analyses that requiring extensive interpretation will generally cost more. On average, you can expect the cost of whole exome sequencing to range from $1,000 to $5,000. This price typically includes the sequencing process, data analysis, and interpretation of the results. If you opt for advanced WES tests that provide higher coverage and more comprehensive analysis, the price may increase. In the context of autism spectrum disorder, whole exome sequencing can be particularly beneficial. While it is not a definitive diagnostic tool for autism spectrum disorder, it can help identify genetic mutations that may be associated with the condition. Understanding these genetic factors can assist healthcare providers in tailoring interventions and treatment strategies more effectively. So, if you are considering whole exome sequencing for autism spectrum disorder, remember to take into account the provider, depth of sequencing, and complexity of analysis. By doing your research, you can find the best option that fits your needs and budget.